Hello. We're going on adventure.
We're outside.
Yeah. Look at the safari. Nature. Nature is our friend. Stop on the Megan and Jessica nature walk.
How is the pumpkin still alive?
Because it's a
Halloween.
It's a pumpkin. That's one of the magical things about nature, the ability to live. Wow! This nature. It's a berry. You can eat these berries for proper nutrition 7 times a day. Cool! What has Jessica found? What did you find, Jessica?
Bushes.
Wow! The magical things about nature.
Come on!
Look at this magical nature. It's a gecko. You know, geckos have a lifespan of about 7 days. Wow! The ground is wet from precipitation. What?
Snake!
Ah! Look at that! Crikey! That's a long snake.
Look at this beauty!
I bet it's eaten
It's
7.
really dangerous, but I'm gonna go and touch it and shit.
I bet it's eaten 7 pine cones today.
I wonder if it can fetch.
Look at it go! Wow! Gander back here.
Look at all the rocks.
Cool. So you know rocks come from the sun because when the sun is about to explode, it has rocks. Ah! Oh. Look at the drugs.
Oh.
Drugs?
Drugs?
Drugs? Cool food. That agile balance. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this ancient fact.
Wow. That must be from one
That must be Aztec, I'm guessing.
Aztec. Look at the handprint.
See, look at the hearts. They used to rip them out of people.
Wow. Cool food. Ah! Look at the crocodile. Ah! It bit me. I need a stick.
She's sick.
Dead. I've killed nature. Back in the day, pioneers used to use grass for instruments because they didn't have real stringed instruments. Hoo! 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 Hoo!
You're failing.
Woo! Woo!
Megan!
They found a wild animal over here. Oh look, we found a slut. Look at it go! Ah! Ah! Are you okay? Ah! Okay. Oh, hey, friends!
I'm gonna take you on an adventure, Kay. Come on.
Let's follow nature walk, Jessica.
Here we have a rare occurrence of nature. This is where all the hummingbirds come and
The hummingbirds.
The hummingbirds.
And you know what they do with their tongue?
They
They do this. Like that.
Uh-huh. Anyway, that's just grows on this here tree.
Wow. Cool food.
Yeah. Okay. And now.
Whoa, look at the sun. Isn't that extravagant? Wow. Let's get a closer look at that snout. Oh, that's where the crocodile crocodiles are!
It's January!
These Indians have left us a gift. Look at the gift the Indians left us. Oh, hear that native sound of the African tribes.
Oh, oh look at the gecko. The gecko. Oh.
I think Jessica ate some of the wild berries. When in doubt, when you eat wild berries, you have to treat it properly because she could die.
I don't want to be treated.
Well, bye. We had an awesome time with you today. Join us next time when we take a nature walk.